Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super handy tutorial: how to change the default PDF reader on your Mac in 2025. Whether you're switching from Preview to Adobe Acrobat or another app for better features, this quick guide will have you sorted in no time. It's a simple process that can make your workflow so much smoother, especially if you're dealing with lots of documents. First things first, let's get started. Make sure you have a PDF file on your Mac ready to go. This could be any document you've downloaded or created. Once you have it, right-click on the file. If you're on a trackpad, just hold Ctrl and click. From the context menu that pops up, select Get Info. This will open a window with all the details about the file. Now, in the Get Info window, scroll down until you see the section labeled Open With. Here, you'll see the current app that's set as the default for opening PDFs. Click on the drop-down menu next to it. A list of compatible apps on your Mac will appear, things like Preview, Adobe Acrobat Reader, or whatever else you have installed. Go ahead and select the one you want to use as your new default. After you've made your selection, look for the button that says Change All. Click it, and a confirmation dialog might pop up. Just confirm your choice, and boom, it's done. From now on, every PDF file you open will use this new app. If you ever want to revert, just repeat the process and pick your original app. One quick tip: if you don't see your preferred app in the list, make sure it's properly installed and up to date. Also, remember that macOS updates might tweak these steps slightly, but this should work for most 2025 versions. There you have it. That's all it takes to customize your Mac's PDF experience. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.